Legal teams today handle more work, more compliance, and more pressure than ever. That's why legal tech is no longer optional. It's the fastest way to reduce manual work and boost accuracy. But adopting new tech doesn't start with software. It starts with preparing your people. Show your team the real problems tech will solve, from slow document reviews to compliance risks and client delays. Next, offer role-based training. Partners need insights, associates need workflows, support teams need simple guides. Make it a journey, not a one-time event. Continuous training builds confidence and reduces resistance. Start with a pilot project. Test it with one practice area, refine the process, and then roll it out firm-wide. And empower internal champions. They help drive smooth adoption from within the team. Legal tech doesn't replace lawyers, it elevates them. Prepare your people today, and your firm becomes future-ready.